Paul, can you give him another ring now, please? I'm waiting up here for yeah. So we've got 3 bells here. I know it's a bit dark, but it'll be alright. Paul! Give him a ring again. Chime them again. It would be nice that. So I'm up where the bells are. Yes. You can see there's 3 at Pellon, Christchurch. Oh, sorry. So he's only got 3 bells on the timber frame. Pellon, Christchurch and Halifax. Up Pellon. So So I've turned around like that now. So they're like on timber frames. And that's the ellicombe chiming hammer that hits them. They go like that. Just move that. Instead of full circle and it wax it. You're alright. You're doing a good job. Get your leg over. Good lad, thank you. Oh, sorry. That one. So it goes like this, doesn't it? What the bells sound like. It's a 3 and that's what pulls them, and then we can have a look at the ball that hits them. It goes that's what lifts it up and that's what attaches the ellicombe chime down the bottom. So thanks for the tour. So